Alright guys, so in this video we will see the practical of C in object and so let's get start. So here I have opened my Cilion software. So what I have done here, I have created a variable of data type int and in next line I have used the scene object to store the user input in the variable a. So user input the integer value and it will store in the variable a. So and and in next line I have print the value of a. So cout, then you have entered, then I have print the value of a. So let's run the program, and here you can see the program has been run successfully, and this cursor has been blinked here, and this cursor is waiting for user to input. So here I am give the value 45, so 45 and press enter. So to store the value in this variable you have to press enter here. So I have pressed enter, and in next line program print the value of the variable. So you have entered 45, and so this is how you can take the value from user. So you can take any type of value like char here. So I have I have changed the data type from integer to character. Now user give the character value as a input and it will print. Fine. So I just print I just give the value u here, and you have entered u. Fine. So you can also print message for user. So so here I have print the message for user. Please enter some character, and then it will pause. Then the program has been paused for user input. So let's run the program. So please enter some character, and here cursor has been blinked. So you can give any character value here like k here, and you have entered k. Fine. So in next line the value of the variable and the value of the user input has been print here. Fine. So this is how you can take the value from user, and you can also take multiple values at one time. Like I have created another variable of data type int, and in next line in and here first I will take the value of character of variable a, and then I will take the value of b, which is integer. So here just write another two angular brackets and write the name of the second variable in which you want to store the second input. So b here, and you have entered a, then and then print the value of b here. Fine. So I have also modified this line. Please enter some character and number. Fine. So let's run the program. So please enter some character and number. So first it will take the character which we will store in variable a. So let's give k and press enter. So after pressing enter, k will store in variable a, and now it will wait for second variable which is waiting for variable b. So here I am giving the value 10 here. Fine. So let's press the enter. So you have entered k and 10. So and you can also specify two different input, not just by press enter but also by pressing space. So first I will give the value character value which is p, and if you want to give second value in this particular line. So you just press space and give the second value, which is 12. So and press enter. So you have entered p and 12, so it will take both the value in same line. So this is all about scene object, and in next video we will discuss the decision structure in C++. So thank you guys for watching. See you soon.